Alright, what's up everybody? So today we are doing a little bit of maintenance stuff. Kind of routine, kind of not. But we are changing my camshaft position sensor on my bank 1, which is going to be on the passenger side right here. You can see it. It's that little guy, right? So looking at the engine, I'm going to go back all the way to the back side, and it's just gonna be that little guy. So I gotta get that little 10 mil right there, probably move this thing just to get it out of there, and then take it out. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. The only things that I need or that I'm using are so this little 10 mil snap on right here, flathead to take it out, and then my OBD to reset my code. It actually just went off yesterday, so it went on, car stalled out, and then check engine light went on. So read the code, found out what it was, and then got the part. So that's what I'm doing. Let's get into it. Cool. Cool. Okay, so I'm disconnected the battery, right? Negative. And then all I'm gonna do is put this guy right in between. Right there. And all right, so I got it off. I just had to squeeze this thing in like I showed you, and then I used the screwdriver or a flathead to pry that out like that. And then it just ended up popping out. Sounded like I broke it. It did not, but that's how it came out. Cool. So we got that out, and now I'm going to compare you guys with the other one. So super, very, very, very similar. Just get in there, clean my hands off. Grab this guy. Cool. And then now we put the new one in. So I'm gonna plug this in first down here. I don't mess up anything on that side. Probably didn't see anything that I just did there. You kind of gotta push it in. Nope, just like that. Pop that back on there. That's all secure, and then I just gotta tighten my bolt, and then it should be good. So let's go back around. just enough just to like get it snug. And that should be it. Got the keys. All right, let's start it up and see how we did. The reason I'm wearing gloves is because this is white and I don't want to mess it up. Ouch. It's on. And that started so quick. No lights. Sounds great. Cool. Let's go check outside. See how everything looks. It's probably really loud just because I'm in the garage. Echoing. So I'll try and talk a little bit louder. But it looks super good there. Definitely look at all the valve leakage, bro. Cool. Well, that's it for today. Let me go turn the car off real quick. Alright, well that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope if you didn't know how to do this, or were very curious, especially if you have 350, that you could do it. I don't know where the other one is. There's in bank 2. I think it's back here somewhere. But this one looks a little bit more complicated to get to. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you guys learned something. It's my first time doing a crankshaft position sensor, so very new to me, but still a learning experience. This is the first car that I'm actually doing my own maintenance and stuff on. So yeah, I mean, it's fun, it's new. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like, subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully have some exciting news within the next week or two. So peace out. Thanks.